Hey guys, this week we're going to be talking about another type of wood bending. It's called kerf wood bending. Stick around. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. As I said before, this week we're going to be talking about another type of wood bending. But before we get into that, I just want to remind you that we are doing a giveaway because I've recently reached 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be leaving a link down at the very top of the description below. If you click that link, it'll show you several different types of ways you can enter to win the prize that we've got going. Now, as I said before, we are going to be working on another type of wood bending. It's called kerf wood bending, and it's actually pretty simple. So let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, this week we're going to be talking about another type of wood bending. It's called kerf wood bending, and you're going to need a table saw and either your miter gauge or a crosscut sled, whichever you prefer. Alright, the first step is going to be to set your table saw blade up about an 1/8 inch or so shy from the top, because you don't want to cut all the way through there. You want to make sure you leave enough wood at the top here to keep it from breaking when you go to bend it. Now what you're going to do is simply use your miter gauge or your crosscut sled, whichever you prefer and whichever one you have. And we're going to go ahead and start cutting our wood. So what we're going to do is we'll run a piece through there, we'll get our piece cut, and you want to have an even gap for the next one. So you're going to kind of eyeball it, or you can measure it, whichever you prefer, but you definitely want to have pretty well even gaps. One, it'll look better, and two, it'll work better whenever you go to bend it. So let's get started. With this bending technique, you can go ahead and take your solid piece and make curves. So you can almost make a 90-degree curve there. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys. I'll see you next week.